Kung ikaw po ay naghahanap na mauutangan online sa Google Play Store at hindi mo po alam kung anong loan application yung pipiliin mo at nakita mo itong si Credit Cash, ito po yung review ko about sa kanya. If ever man na nagbabalak kang umutang dyan online, huwag ka muna mag-click ng sabit application. Ang una mong gawin is maghanap ka ng review tungkol sa loan application na yun. And ngayon nga guys, ito pong si Credit Cash yung ating pag-uusapan ngayon. Dahil kung ikaw ay bago palang uutang dyan sa mga loan apps na nasa Google Play Store, mas maigi na panuorin mo to hanggang dulo para malaman mo na kung anong meron dito kay Credit Cash. As of now po guys, no, si Credit Cash online loan app na under ng Hyphen Lending Incorporation is meron na siyang 10,000 reviews and 4.7 stars. So marami-rami na rin po yung nakapag-apply dito at nakapag-download ng application na to. So dito guys, sa kanyang ads, 25,000 daw po yung ini-offer niya na loan amount sa mga first time na mag-a-apply sa kanya. And let's see kung legit yung 25,000 niya at magkano ba yung marireceive na lang natin. Kasi alam mo naman na meron dyang ibabawas, diba? And tingnan natin kung anong process ng pag-utang dito kay Credit Cash. Pero bago yun guys, kung gusto mo po palang sumali sa aking pa-weekly Gcash giveaway, so every Monday po yung aking announcement. So nung Monday nga po, nag-announce po ako ng 5 lucky winners at kung wala pa dyan yung pangalan mo, huwag kang mag-alala, may next Monday pa. So ang gagawin mo lang guys is magsusubscribe ka sa aking YouTube channel, ilalike mo tong video na to at mag-iiwan ka ng comment dyan sa comment section. So, ganun lang kasimple guys yung aking mechanics and every last Monday of the month, may isang mananalo ng aking pa-cellphone giveaway, which is, pwede mo pong i-convert yun into cash kapag ayaw mo ng cellphone. O, diba? Dito, maghahanap ka lang ng pwede mong utangan online. Tapos, may chance ka pa sa aking pa-Gcash at pa-cellphone giveaway. So much for that. So, balikan na natin tong si Credit Cash. Check natin kung anong meron na sa kanya, kung may pagbabago ba, at kung 25,000 ba talaga yung marireceive mo kapag umutang ka dito. So, if you're interested, keep watching. So, disclaimer no, hindi po tayo agent or promoter nito. So, dito guys, sinisilip ko yung loan application para at least may konti kayong idea kung anong meron sa kanya at kung okay ba talaga siyang utangan, no? So, dito guys, si Credit Cash is available lamang sa Google Play Store. And if ever man na nakapag-loan ka na dyan kay Credit Cash, naku, pakishare po na experience mo dyan sa comment section para at least may karagdagang idea yung mga bago palang mag-a-apply dyan at kung a-applyan pa rin ba talaga nila itong loan application na to. So, nag-apply na ako before dito kay Credit Cash and yun, rejected pa rin yung loan application ko and hoping ako na this time is hindi ako ma-reject. So, let's see guys, no? Sabay-sabay nating alamin. And dito nga guys, pagka-install ko kay Credit Cash, yan, my dear user. So, confirm lang natin yan, yung kanilang privacy policy. And dito guys, nakalagay na kapag nag-login ka, you can apply for 10,000 pesos daw. Get money within 2 to 3 minutes. So, hindi po pala siya 25,000 talaga. If ever na ikaw ay bago pa lang mag-a-apply dito kay Credit Cash, nasa 10,000 lang po yung pinakang maximum loan amount na pwede mong mautang. So, yan, lagay mo yung number mo dyan and get OTP. And dito nga guys, no, sabi, valid today, VIP fast review. The application approval rate is higher today. So, mataas daw yung chance mo na approve dito kapag ngayon ka nag-apply. So, parang commonly naman, ganun lahat ang sinasabi ng mga loan application, no? So, dito guys, check natin. Maximum loan is 25,000. Maximum terms is 120 days. So, dito guys, huwag ka munang papaengganyo sa 120 days. So, commonly, sinasabi ko na sa'yo, 7 days lang po ang pinakang common na nakikita kong loan repayment period sa mga gantong loan application. So, bibihira lang talaga yung may mahahabang long term. And ito nga guys, no, low interest daw siya, easy to pass, and loan in 3 minutes. So, lagi nilang ini-emphasize yung 3 minutes lang is ma-approve ka na at makukuha mo na daw yung pera. Let's see, no? Sabay-sabay nating alamin. So, get money tayo, guys. And dito, please follow the instructions. So, may face recognition muna pala sila. So, yan. After mo mag-facial recognition, meron sila ditong urgent VIP route reviewing. So, wala ka pang pinifill upan, no? Wala ka pang nilalagay dyan na kung ano-anong information mo, pero reviewing pa siya. SMS final notifications, please be patient for a few seconds. Final result will be sent to your number. After nun, kapag naka-approve ka na, so you will get the money daw. So, yun, nag-antay ako, guys, ng ilang seconds. And makikita mo dito, guys, na reject rejected agad siya. So, nakalagay dito na unfortunately, your loan has not been approved. Please apply again on November 24, 2024. We will prioritize your order. Hindi ka pa nga nag-fill up, rejected na agad. So, kaloka yung mga ganitong loan application ha. So, ayan guys, pinapakita ko na sa inyo guys na dito kay Credit Cash, nag-apply ako ngayon and rejected na agad siya guys. So, nag-review siya and nakita nyo naman yung result, pero hindi naman po lahat ng application is automatic nagre-reject. And kung titignan natin guys sa Play Store, yung kanyang application, ito po yung mga commonly na review about dito kay Credit Cash. Yan, ka-update nga lang po nitong si Credit Cash noong October 15, 2024. And ito nga po yung ilang review sa kanya. I didn't not approve any request to loan and about to uninstall this app, but they send the money. This app has most horrible terms of payment and their hotline is not work. Do you accept me to pay the whole amount with approval? This is a worthless app. Ayan. Kahit daw hindi siya na-approve dun sa kanyang application, pero sinend daw yung pera sa kanya. Ito si Arnold yung nagsabi, no? So, check natin guys sa mga critical reviews. Ito dito pa lang sa una. That's a scammer. Don't believe that. If you have 2 periods of debt, the payment will be fine when you pay the first period. But the second time, when you pay suddenly, the repayment will not be opened. So, yun. Masyadong English naman to, guys. Ito nga daw, no, guys. Itong about dito kay Credit Cash, parang ito yung pinaka-commonly ko nakikita dito at nababasa. Worst experience ever. Even though I didn't confirm the loan offer, they still sent the money. I returned it immediately as soon as possible since in their text message, you can return the money within 24 hours, even if not needed. I returned it in less than 30 minutes, but they keep harassing me and saying foul words in text messages. I have all the proof that I returned the money, but they keep on contacting me and forcing me to pay. Worst lending app. Ito nga yung mga sinasabi ko sa inyo guys, no? So, pipili kayo ng mga loan application na walang harassment. So, worst lending application daw tong si Credit Cash. Oh, ito pa, may isa pang review dito. I tried this app and they approved me for 300 pesos. So, na-approve daw siya ng 300 pesos, but the interest is very high. Almost half of the amount. They have other charges. The 300 will only become 122 pesos. The repayment is 371. O, diba, biruin mo yun, guys. 300 pesos na nga lang yung na-approve, tapos may bawas pa. 122 na lang marireceive mo. Tapos, sa bayaran, 371 pesos. Dito pa lang guys, makikita mo na talaga kung anong meron kay Credit Cash. Ito pa guys, I tried to fill out my details in the app and didn't proceed with the loan application. So, hindi daw siya nag-proceed guys because of high interest. I even uninstalled it. In-uninstall niya pa daw guys yung Credit Cash and later found out that you've credited 888 pesos in my GCash account. Nag-send daw ng pera na 888 pesos sa GCash account niya. Installed again the app and saw a loan repayment for total of 1,334 pesos. How can I return this? So, biruin mo guys, 888 pesos lang po yung na-receive niya and 1,334 na yung kanyang babayaran. So, magkano yung nabawas doon sa principal amount niya? So, wala naman siyang binanggit. Last review na babasahin ko guys, that's scammer. I received my loan already but the SVC fee so big. My loan is 2,000. 2,000 daw yung loan niya guys, pero na-receive niya lang dito is 1,200 pesos. And the big problem is this, when I repayment the app, is not open for repayment procedure. So, ito nga yung mahirap sa mga ibang loan application. No? Kung magbabayad ka na, biglang nagkaka-error dun sa application nila. Biglang mawawala or biglang maglalag, tapos hindi ka na makapagbayad. Yung ibang loan application naman is bigla-bigla daw mawawala sa Google Play Store, tapos hindi mo na alam kung saan ka magbabayad. Pero sa tingin ko, parang modus na rin nila yun guys, no? Na parang biglang mag-error doon sa repayment period kapag magbabayad ka na. Tapos, malalaman mo na lang na overdue ka na. So, ingat kayo sa mga ganitong loan application, guys. Bago kayo mag-install or bago kayo mag-apply sa isang loan application, matuto tayong manood ng reviews at magbasa ng reviews kung okay siya. Pero hindi naman lahat, guys, is na-experience nila is bad experience. May mga goods pa rin naman talaga. And dun yun sa mga legit na loan application. Hindi naman lahat, guys, ng loan application is makaka-experience ka talaga ng bad. Meron pa rin good side. So, pili na lang talaga tayo ng mga legit na loan application. Yan lang yung meron dito kay Credit Cash. So, sana nagkaroon kayo ng konting idea ha. Hindi basta basta mag-a-apply sa loan application. So, matuto tayong mag-research and be a responsible borrower na rin in the future. So, that's it. Sa mga hindi pa dyan nakasubscribe sa aking YouTube channel, kindly click the subscribe button. I-turn on mo na rin po yung notification bell para updated ka sa ganitong usapan, lalong-lalo na sa mga bagong naglalabasan ngayon na loan application. So, bye-bye na muna for now, guys. See you on my next vlog.